Alright guys, welcome. This is Eli Skater, and I am here with Glauber, the owner of SpaceModz. Right. He's Puerto Rican, and he knows how to mod Xbox controllers super fucking good. So, I want you guys to subscribe to him, and this is why I'm making this video. So, Glauber.
Yes.
I was wondering, how much does a modded controller cost?
Well, since it's brand new, I bought it from Best Buy. Then I mod it.
Okay.
It's about $100.
$100.
You're getting a brand new controller plus the mod.
Okay. Tell us what type of mod you do.
It's free mode, rapid fire. It's for Halo 3. It's the first mode.
What other game?
Second mode is Call of Duty 4.
Okay.
Which I use for Modern Warfare 2 now. Also works for like Left 4 Dead and shit like that. You just try it out with the game and see what it is. It works for Gears of War 2. The third mode is for Gears of War 2 and COD 5 and stuff.
Really?
All the games that were built with mod blocks.
Damn, that's pretty raw.
Yeah,
and you can get past those mod blocks, right?
Yep. I recently just got past the Call of Duty 4 one.
Damn.
Yep.
Nice, dude.
And Modern Warfare 2 is supposed to have one too, mod block, but I got past it because just elite modder.
Damn. So you guys heard him. $100 for the controller, and I'll link his YouTube page. I want you guys to subscribe. I'll link his eBay page that he'll be making once he starts selling them on eBay. And yeah. Oh wait, can't you do LED mods too, right?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna learn how to do that soon. I have to order the LEDs.
All right. So yeah.
Just look up on my YouTube. If I get over like 20 subscribers, I don't know. I'm not at YouTube good, so I don't know.
Wow, this motherfucker. He only wants 20. Wow, this dude only wants 20 subscribers.
I said for now.
Alright.
If I get over 20 for now, then I will put up more YouTube shit. But right now, I don't care.
Alright. Sounds good. See you guys later. Subscribe, rate, comment, favorite, tell your friends, get their shit modded. See or miss? Deuce.